Hello everybody, I'm Chandran Jain and I will be starting database management in SQL using PostGIS SQL. Database management is very important skill required in the data science industry because we have data everywhere and we need the skill to manage data so that we can get out useful insights from the data so that obviously within which we can analyze the data better and work on it. So what is SQL? SQL is a acronym for structured query language. So if we go from back, a language which helps us to query data, which helps us to ask data, which helps us to retrieve information out of a data. A data which is structured, what is being structured means a data which is in a form of a table. So now SQL works with so we understood that SQL helps us to query a structured data. So now what type of a data could be database can it should be? It should be a relational database. Now what is a relational database? So a database is basically a collection of data, and relational database means there are multiple data files. We know that there are multiple structured data sets in our database now, and they are related. How? Like let us take example of a supermarket. So there are in a supermarket we are in the marketing section. If we look, there are three files or three structured data or three structured data sets by the name of customer data set, sales data set, and product data set. And the sales data set consists of some information about the customer and some information about the product. So the entire supermarket dataset contains three structured data and they all are related in some way or the other. And when we analyze a sales section, so we will be analyzing all these three data sets and using which we will be retrieving information and analyzing information, querying information, modifying information, and we will be doing all sorts of data. We will modify information, uh, create some aggregate function like sum, average, variance. We will be doing everything like this as well using SQL. So this is the use of SQL basically. It has to query, update, reorganize, modify, manipulate, create information, everything we can do. Now it is the common, we know that Excel is on another spreadsheet tools are also there which can do the same task. But like we have three tables I have told. And if we have to analyze and manipulate that information using of the three table using a spreadsheet tool like Excel, it will and if the data sets are large, it will become a hectic task. And SQL has tools like joins and subqueries, which helps us to analyze these data sets, relational data sets, very easily. So that's the use of SQL, and it is used in ample industries in different spheres. Let us see how. So it is used in database management, like in every field we have data now everywhere. Like in a company there is employee in database, there is the client database, and there is a product database, and there is every sort of a data set, and they all are in one database which is the company database. In hotel there is the employee database, there is the database of the people who come to stay, there is a database about the products which are there, which is the database about the beds, and there's database about all new things coming in, all things which are used out or broken as well. So there is information about everything. In business also I have discussed about the supermarket. So like we have three, and there can many other more databases as well. In school, if we take the school, there is database about there is a school database which contain data about the teachers, about the students, about the classes, about the courses, and many, and about even about the branches and stuff like that. So to manage all this data we need SQL. And now data analyst with you, now what another uses by data analyst, they use it to retrieve information, manipulate information, to get the trends and the useful insights of the data so that they can understand what is the phenomena hidden inside the data, what is the distribution of the data, and they can fit suitable models. It is also used in marketing, like the supermarket data set, or like Amazon also use it. So Amazon will have a customer data set, a product data set, maybe different seasons it will analyze how much it is, how much product, what type of product is being demanded more. So and only that type of product will be popped up more. So this is all the uses of SQL. So now there are many platforms and softwares using which we use SQL. There are MySQL, there is PostgreSQL, there is Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle SQL, TSQL. Many platforms are there on which we can run SQL, and all are almost similar. The syntax is almost similar. There's little differences, so it's need not worry like we will only study one and we have to study all, or we will study one if we it is useful, which is best. There is no best, there is no worst. All are same, and we will be using PostgreSQL for our course. So because I like it, uh, and every other, and if we learn it, we are learning PostgreSQL. No worries, one can easily run the query in MySQL 2 or Oracle SQL 2. It's not much of a difference, and it need not worry. So just let's start. Thank you.